Live from a kitchen in Las Vegas, it's time for a Keto Quickie. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Well, what is a Keto Quickie? Well, I designed a new series that I'm going to be doing, and it's going to be meals that we prepare that are 5 minutes or under. So, Keto Quickie today is going to be a pickled red onion. Simple ingredients, 2 or 3 different ingredients, that's it. And I'm going to narrate through it, or I'm just going to be putting up some subtitles. So, kick back and enjoy your first Keto Quickie. All right, 24 hours have passed. Nice and cold in the refrigerator. You can see the color change a little bit. The longer they ferment, the better they become. Now, this is good for a snack. Put on anything that you're eating. And I got to tell you what, the flavor was right there. Oregano was fantastic. So, I hope you enjoyed your first Keto Quickie. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you the next time we put up a Keto Quickie. Thank you so much, everybody. Stay safe.